President Museveni alambudde ekkolero ly'emmwanyi lya Inspire Africa Coffee Factory lisangibwa Shamayire Entungamo. Okuvuma kuwere gavumenti etadde amaanyi mu nteekateeka yatuumibwa Coffee Investment Consortium Uganda n'ekigenda eky'okutunda emmwanyi ezigattiddwako omutindo saako n'okwongera ku bungi bw'emirimu. Kulambula ekkolero Pulezidenti alaze essanyu olw'omulimu eggutuuse ategeezezza nti obwanga bulina kuteekebwa mu kwongera omutindo ku mmwanyi mu nteekateeka gy'atuumye Chapter 1.
Because Africa has been bleeding for a long time. Has been bleeding because we get very low value for our products. And the bigger value is taken by foreign groups. The slogan here is United Coffee, Chapter 1. That's how these young people have termed the campaign. What they mean is that Africa will move together. We are starting here, but this message will spread. But we are going to go to other products within Uganda. We have dealt with the milk. We are now dealing with the coffee. We are going to deal with the bananas. We are going to deal with the minerals. We are going to deal all sectors.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.